Alright, hello my fellow investors, it's the Intelligent Investor here. In today's video, we will be talking about Apex Technologies. But before we get into that, guys, please use the link in the description down below to sign up with Acorns. Now, honestly, guys, when I tell you that you won't regret signing up with Acorns, I'm telling you, you are not going to regret it. So please, guys, check it out, sign up. I'm telling you, I've been in there since 2016, and my returns have been so great. Investing spare change has been the best decision of my life because, honestly, you don't even have to pay attention to that portfolio. It's good to be diversified there. You leave it in there, you come back and look at it a few months later, and you just see how much you've actually gotten in return. So trust me when I tell you this, guys. It's something well to actually jump into and checking it out. So please do that. Help me out a bit. Also, it will help me get 5,000 subscribers, guys. I really want to get to 5,000 subscribers by the end of February if we can. If we can't, then it's cool. I mean, I still want to hit 5,000 subscribers. When that happens, I'm going to be giving away free shares to certain stocks. I'll also be giving away free gift cards. So, again, help me get there, guys, and expand this channel. So, jumping into Apex Technologies, guys. Now, understand that this is not giving you financial advice. I am a financial advisor, but I'm not financially advising you here. This is just giving you my thoughts and opinions on what I pretty much do. So, again, Apex Technologies. Now, people have been telling me, why is Apex coming down if they just received good news that they're filing with the SEC and all that good stuff? And the reason was because they kind of announced that the merger will happen between the end of the first quarter or the beginning of the second. Now, if you know how quarters work, it's a quarter, it's 3 months. So it's January, February, March. People expected the merger to happen in February, but now it's looking like it's going to happen either the end of March or the beginning of April. And that's about a month, about 2 months away. So people don't want to wait that long for this to happen. People right now, they're wanting to make quick money, so they're jumping out of here to go and invest into other companies that they feel like they can get a quicker return. And honestly, guys, that is a bad mentality. Stick with Apex right now. It's getting to a buying opportunity. If it keeps coming down, I'm going to keep buying more and more and more. And that looks like it's going to probably drop because it's going to lose a bit of momentum. But it's going to be a good swing trade at about $30. And the more you can buy at this price, the better. So again, it'll start getting momentum when the merger is about to happen. Right now, again, people are out of it because they want to invest in something that's going to give them a quicker return a little bit faster. And the EV market is pretty hot right now, so that's where a lot of people are jumping into. But a lot of people are losing money in that section right now, so just understand that, guys. You have to learn how to be a bit more patient and actually ride these things out because the returns can be great with these companies if you can ride it out. Like I said, I've been successful in the market for a really long time, but it took me a long time to get there. People think they're just going to jump into a stock and jump out and make a lot of money. And yeah, you can do that, but that takes experience. That takes a certain amount of patience and understanding. And that's where I want my viewers to understand that I'm trying to help you get there. Okay? Like I said, I bought this stock. If you were with me, we bought originally into the stock before I jumped into Robinhood. We bought it at about $12. So we're still in a good return. And once it hits about 28 to 30, we're going to have a really great return. So that's pretty much it. This is what I'm trying to tell you about Apex Technologies. It's a great company. AvePoint is a good company. They showed today that they were 29% profit for the last part of the year. And that is really good. People thought they were going to be at 22, but they were at 29, so they were more profitable than we thought. And this is a company that has a lot of value, so it's going to be shooting up when the time comes. And we want to get it at a point where it's still good enough to buy it at a cheap price, get a good chunk of shares, and then when we get to our point, you could either keep it when it merges or sell it right before it merges and make that profit, and then jump back on it after the merger when the stock crashes up a bit. But, I mean, it all depends on you guys. Honestly, good company, like I said. Company that has no debt. They have good numbers. It's something you want to be a part of. So, that's my personal opinion. I'm usually buy about 100 shares. I'm thinking about, because we have a little bit of more time, I'll probably be dumping about 200 shares. So, I mean, that's my position in view. And once that happens, I mean, if it goes up to 30 from around what price we got it, we're going to be making about more than double, about 120% return. So that's really good. And that's what we're looking for. So patience is key, guys. I know everybody wants to get in every hot stock like Churchill. And let me just quickly talk about Churchill. The reason, I mean, this is a really hot stock right now. And the reason is because, Lucid Motors, the merger is supposed to happen. I mean, it hit 38 2 days ago and now it's crashed back down. And the stock is honestly too emotional right now, so I'm not jumping into this. And the problem with this company or this stock is that they're saying they're going to merge with Lucid Motors. It still hasn't been confirmed, okay? So if the deal falls through for any reason, this stock is going to crash and shoot down to $10. So have that in mind, guys. If you guys are invested in this, just keep an eye, put a trailing stop loss, and make sure that you guys don't lose a lot of money on this because, I mean, it could happen, and it's most likely going to happen with Lucid Motors, but if there's a good chance also that it can fail. So have that in mind. Be careful and be safe with your money because people can honestly lose money like that. And because they lose that quick money, they end up getting out of the market. And like I said, guys, you guys don't want to jump out of the market because this is where the money's at. If you guys do patient moves and are intelligent about it, then you guys will be successful. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's all I have for you today. If you guys did like the video, like I said, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you guys want to help me out, use the link in the description down below to sign up with Acorns. I'm telling you, again, guys, you will not regret it. Acorns is honestly the place to be at right now. And eventually, if we do have a market crash, which I hope we don't, but it's looking like we are, then Acorns is honestly the best, safest place to be. So, again, thank you guys for everything, and I'll see you guys next time. So, peace out.